Women birthday dresses. Hello beautiful lovers. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Fashion Fables. If you are new my channel, so please like this video and subscribe my channel. Today we are diving into the something every woman loves. Picking out the perfect birthday dresses. Whether you are celebrating in style or keeping its chaos. We very got you covered. So let's get started. When it comes to choosing the right birthday dresses, there are a few key factors to consider: style, comfort, and of course, that factor. First up, let's talk about styles. Our timeless choose the little black dresses is perfect for any birthday celebrations. Its very stylish allows your dresses it of the statement accessories or keep it simple for a more understand look. For these who prefer a more bohemian web, a full maxi dress is a fantastic option. Not only does it offer comfortable and movement, but is also accused of classy elegance. Now, if you are ready to make a statement, why not opt for a bold and colorful dresses? Bright hues and eye-catching patterns are sure to turn heads and make your birthday unforgettable. And let's now forget about jumpsuits, a stylish and modern alternative to dress jumpsuit offer the perfect blend of sophistication and comfort. Plus their incredible versatility allowing you the translation seamlessly from day to night. Once you have found the perfect style, it's a time to focus on comfortable. After all, you want to feel confident and at ease on your special day. Make sure to choose a fabric that feels comfortable against your skin and allows for eyes movement. And finally, don't forget about that how factors. Whether is number a democrat, soltra, or a stunning neckline, choose a dress that makes you feel absolutely fabulous. And there you have it, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed your guide to finding the perfect birthday dresses. Remember, it is all about embracing your personal style and feeling confident in whether you choose. Thanks for watching and until next time stay stylish.